This beautiful 1938 Remington Premier typewriter is in near mint condition. It has been fully restored. It has new platinum rubber, new feed rollers, and new rubber feet. And it is ready to type. This beautiful typewriter is a rare Remington Premier model. It is in near mint condition. It's been fully restored. Has new rubber on the platen. Has new feed rollers. And it also has new rubber feet. The keys on it are amazing. It's perfect. The crinkle coat finish looks great. There's just a very few minor scuffs on it. The Remington decal up here is a little bit faded. It looks pretty good. Brand new rubber feet. And new rubber on the platen and feed rollers. The decal on the back is also a little bit faded. You don't see the Premier model very often, especially in this condition. Also included with this machine is a reprinted user's manual. And this makes a really good typewriter pad. It's certainly not necessary to use it, but if you want to reduce the noise from the typewriter, this does work pretty well. And we have the original case, which is in fair condition. It is from 1938. It's a wooden cloth covered case. It has a lot of bare spots on it. And the handle's been replaced with a piece of rope. It's got a good bit of scuffs and marks on it. That's for the 1938 Remington Premier typewriter.